Hello everyone, welcome in my channel ASP.NET Core. Today I am going to show you the typography. You can say the typography is a formatting of the text, or you can say designing of the text in Bootstrap. So basically you can design with the tags in HTML5 and HTML3 in previous versions of HTML. You can format your text by using H1 and some other tags, but in Bootstrap we have some other options like a lead in the span tag. In the paragraph tag you also some text formatting options we have available. So if you set the paragraph tag just after the heading tags, you can specify that paragraph is important and highly recommended for the viewers. So you can use the lead class. Text also formatting you can set it here, like the text muted, like text primary, etc. So first of all I would like to share something about the lead, because it's a mandatory to focus on the viewers to view that content. It's mandatory or required content. If you want to give the subheadings under the heading text, then you can use paragraph just before your lead tag. Looking like your WordPress, the WordPress heading is represent to your site name, but just another WordPress site is the symbol of a small text just after your text. So you can decorate your text by using text muted as well as text primary. You can see that the different colors are there. It's looking like that. So basically the typography is related to the text formatting as well as the site decoration text we can use for the purpose use. So just cut it from here, and if you want to set as a subheading under the heading tags, you can just use a paragraph tag. Yeah, that is the symbol of, because the highlighted text is highlighted or the highly visualize. So H2 tags, H1 tags are very familiar with you, because the H1 and S2 and H6 tags are much used in HTML5 as well as H6 and in CSS3. So thank you guys for watching this video.